Hello, my reading friends, and welcome to Oxford Reading. Are you ready for a story? Well, today I'm going to be reading a book about The Wrong Kind of Night by Julia Donaldson. Nasim was a knight. But he didn't like to ride, and he didn't like to fight. Nasim liked to read and write, and he liked to knit. One night there was a knock at the door. "I need you to fight a dragon," cried King Caram. "But I'm the wrong kind of knight," said Nasim. "I don't like fighting." "Never mind," cried the king. "Hurry up." "The dragon is in my bed," said the king. Nasim's knees were knocking. He lifted the blanket and saw a tiny dragon. The dragon's knees were knocking too. "I'm freezing," he said. "Fight him!" cried the king. "No, I'm the wrong kind of knight," said Nasim, and he began to knit. Nasim was very quick at knitting. He knitted a vest, some socks, and some long knickers. The dragon was delighted. "Thank you," he said, and off he went. "I think you were the right kind of knight," said the king.